Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub.
In today's video, I'm going to share some powerful AI tools that you can use completely free to make your research paper reading faster, easier, and far more efficient.
So let's get started. The first tool on the list is the Google Scholar PDF Reader. Most of you probably already use Google Scholar to find research papers, but did you know it also offers an AI-powered PDF reader for free?
So let's get started. All you need to do is install its Chrome extension. Once installed, any research paper you open, whether online or from your computer, will automatically open in this smart reader. What makes it so useful? As soon as you open a paper, you'll see an AI-generated outline on the left side. It breaks the paper into sections like Introduction, Methods, Results, and Conclusion. This gives you a quick understanding of what the paper is about, the approach used, and whether it's relevant to your work, saving you hours of reading. Another great feature is clickable references. You can simply hover over a citation and jump directly to the original source or journal page. This makes your literature review much more connected and seamless. If you're not ready to invest in paid tools, this is the easiest upgrade you can make. Free, simple, and incredibly helpful. Now, while this tool is great for getting an overview, what happens when you get stuck in the middle of a paper? Maybe there's a concept you don't understand, or you want to identify the research gap or limitations. Now let's move to the second tool, Logically. This tool is not just for reading, it's for organizing and remembering your research. With its annotation feature, you can highlight text, diagrams, graphs, or figures. Everything you highlight gets neatly stored for future reference. If you don't understand a graph or figure, you can use its AI assistant to explain it. Just ask questions like, what trend does this graph show? What does this value represent? Within seconds, you'll get a clear explanation. You can also add your own notes, gradually building a personal knowledge base that you can revisit anytime, whether for writing papers, preparing presentations, or doing further research. The free version allows annotations without limits, and you can upload a large number of PDFs within a storage limit. So with Logically, you can read, organize, and interact with your research papers all in one place. That's where the third tool comes in, PaperPal. Instead of using general AI tools, PaperPal is specifically trained on millions of academic papers. This means the answers you get are more accurate and research-focused. To use it, simply upload your paper in the Chat PDF section and start asking questions. It even suggests prompts to help you begin. For example, you can ask, what research gap does this paper address? Explain the methodology step by step. What are the key findings in simple terms? What are the limitations of this study? So instead of rereading the same paragraph again and again, you can just ask and get instant clarity. One powerful feature is the ability to chat with multiple papers at once. In the free version, you can upload up to 5 papers and compare them. You can ask things like, compare methodologies across these papers. Which study has the strongest results and why? What findings are common across all papers? Are there any conflicting conclusions? This saves a huge amount of time during literature review. You can also take notes directly, keeping everything in one place. Let's quickly recap. Use Google Scholar PDF Reader for quick understanding and navigation. Use PaperPal to ask questions and clear doubts. Use Logically to highlight, organize, and deeply understand your research. These 3 free AI tools can completely transform how you read research papers. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.